Hello and welcome to Quick Tutorials. In this series we show you how to accomplish small tasks within 3 to 5 minute videos. And today we're going to talk about map overlays. Map overlays is an add-on to the MLXchange that allows you to place grids and layouts on top of the big maps, letting you know the city, county, and zip code boundaries, as well as the subdivision and school districts. So here we are on the homepage of the MLXchange, and to get started we're going to click on search in the upper top or search down here in the lower left. It's going to take us right to our standard default search screen. You guys should be fairly familiar with the screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on Search Map in the upper right-hand corner. That's going to bring up an exact map of El Paso, and it usually places it right around the center. We're going to zoom out a little bit just so we can see a little bit more. And we're going to click on where it says Overlay in the upper toolbar. That'll create a pop-up window in the upper right-hand corner. And if we check in any of these check boxes, what it's going to do is it's going to create an overlay on top of our map, highlighting anything that we've selected. So if I check in the box that says zip code, what it's going to do is going to give an outline of all the zip codes of El Paso, along with what the zip codes actually are. If I click on overlay again, I'll get my box back, and I'll be able to check on something else to add a second overlay, or if I uncheck it, it'll take the overlay away. So if I check here where it says school district, it'll give me all the school districts. And if I move my map over here to the right, you'll see the difference between the El Paso Independent School District and the Ysleta Independent School District. Again, uncheck it, and it'll take it away. If I click on where it says schools, it's going to give me little purple triangles, which will mark each of the schools. And if I zone in a little bit, it'll actually tell me the names of each of those schools. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and uncheck where it says school to get rid of the purple triangles, and I'm going to go ahead and check where it says neighborhood. What that's going to do is that's going to give me the outlines of all the different subdivisions. For this next one, I'm going to have to zoom in pretty close. And if I check where it says parcel, it'll give me the parcel outlines of all the properties. So say you were listing a property, but you didn't know what subdivision it was in, you didn't know the school district, you didn't know what schools were around it. You can use the locator feature. And what we can do is we can pinpoint the exact location of the listing. So in our case, we're going to use the Board of Realtors at 6400 Gateway East in El Paso. And click the search button, and it'll put a push pin exactly where the location is. And then I can use the map overlays to find out all of the information. So I'm going to go ahead and click overlay in the upper center again. And I just need to check in any of the boxes to find out the information I'm looking for. Be it the school district, what zip code is it in. If I zoom out, we can see 79905. And I can check the schools to see what schools are around it. And I can check the neighborhoods to find out what subdivision it's located in. That's it for the map overlays. If you have any more questions, you can always call your MLS help desk or click on help in the upper right hand corner of the MLXchange for more info.